Morning traders, let's see what we have in store for the day today. We've got pound CPI news coming out in about 7 minutes. Then we've got nothing all day pretty much until FOMC later on at 7 p.m. UK time. So let's just dive straight into it. Euro dollar bullish order flow since start of July, end of June. We've been pushing higher, leaving fair value gaps along the ways. Daily time frame pullback into weekly time frame fair value gap last week and started to displace higher, leaving fair value gaps. We left another fair value gap yesterday, so potentially we can see the previous day lows being taken out, and then price finding some support to continue higher to that buy side liquidity. That is the game plan. But because of FOMC, maybe we might go through the daily time fair value gap and find support somewhere inside that range on the 240. But it also happens that 50% is just at that daily time fair value gap anyway, so we'll just have to see the time it comes down to that level and how it comes and the price action it provides to look for opportunities to go long. Price came into that high yesterday and then started to displace lower. We have failed to close below. We've taken liquidity below these lows at this 240 fair value gaps, but we failed to close below every candle, put in this bullish engulfing candle, and then maybe we will see a retracement, some kind of a double bottom forming, and then find a short-term opportunity. I won't be aiming for these highs if the trade comes in during London or even New York session because of FOMC later on. On the 1 hour time frame, we start to displace lower, close below these lows, pushed up, have been ranging since. We took out the highs of this range and held that to 60-minute fair value gap. Took out liquidity, held that fair value gap, and then start to find some resistance. So maybe we will push back up into this range and find some resistance before during London session to go short. Similar story in pound dollar. We got bullish order flow. I'm watching that buy side liquidity, the first level, but we also have the second level right there that price can take out. We came into monthly time for fair value gaps consequent encroachment, which I've watched over the last 5 weeks, and you can see it's been rejected every single time it comes to that level at 1.3217, 1.322 level. And again, yesterday we came to that level and rejected quite strongly with this bearish displacement. Again, similar to pound dollar, maybe we'll see with this one, maybe we will come down and take out this low, find support at that daily time frame fair value gap, and then continue higher. I'll just have to wait for CPI to come out first. Again, similar to pound dollar, we displaced down, took out liquidity of this high, and then start to displace lower. And now we have, I'm just waiting to see what price does. I do believe price can push lower, or maybe it will push up first one more time and then push down before pushing back up again. But yeah, just have to wait and see how that plays out. And that's my review for both of these trades going into the day. The timing of my entries matters a lot. So London time frame, London kill zone, New York and London close are the three obviously ones that I watch, and I'll watch how price reacts at certain PD arrays around those times to look for entries. So let's see how GB pound CPI plays out.